Hello friends, so this is the first video in which I will be showing you how you can load the image and show the image on the screen as well as save the image. So hopefully all of you have installed a Raspberry Pi, that is the latest Noobs OS 2.5 version. So if you have installed the 2.5 Noobs version and you have loaded, this is the screen that you will see. So initially we'll be opening the terminal. So I'll open the terminal and I will give the command pwd, so present working directory, and when I press enter, so I can see currently I am at home and pi. Now I give the command ls, so this will list the files that are there in the current directory. So I want to go to desktop, so I give the command cd, that is change directory. I'll give capital DE and I can just press tab and I will get desktop. So now when I give pwd, I can see that my path has changed from initially home pi to now the path is home pi as well as desktop. So now when I give ls, I can see the files that are listed in desktop. So I have got only one folder, that is this particular folder. I have named it as load, display and save. So I want to enter into this folder, so I give the command cd and I'll give L and I'll give tab. So now when I press enter and then when I give pwd, I can see that my path has changed to home pi desktop load underscore display underscore save. So now when I give ls, I can see there are two files inside this particular folder. So I'll just open it. So two files, one is my .py file, the Python file, and one is the image. So I'll just quickly open the Python file. So when I double click it, you can see that on the top there is hash usage. So as you are familiar with, hash indicates comments. So the second line tells you how you can execute this particular program. So you need to give Python followed by the file name. The file name in this case is load display save.py. Then the name of the argument is given by two hyphens, so hyphen name of the argument and then the image that you want to load. So by default I have considered the image kept in the same directory where the Python file is. So just to quickly go through the program, initially we will be importing the various packages that are required. The two main packages required are import argparse argument parser, because in this particular program I will be passing the image as an argument. Next, import CV2. CV2 indicates computer vision 2, and then I will be creating the argument. So argument parser, that is within argparse, which I have already imported. So the argument that is required in this particular program is image. So I have named it as image required equal to true help, and this ends the argument. So this is a simple way in which you can define the argument. I have defined only one argument and that argument is image. Next, to read the image, I have the command called cv2.read. So cv2.imread is the command and I am reading the image using this argument. So after I have read it, temporarily I save it in a variable called image. Now I want to show it on the screen. So I will be giving the command cv2.imshow. So this image indicates the title of the image file which it's displayed, you will be able to see. And this image lowercase I is this variable that is having the data after I have read the image. cv2.wait key indicates the image will be on the screen until you press any key on the keyboard. So once you have pressed a key on the keyboard, you want the image to be saved. So I have the command called cv2.imwrite. So then you just give the what name do you want the image to be saved, and then this image obviously indicates the variable which has the read image. So a very simple program. This program will do three functionalities: to load the image, to show the image, as well as to save the image. So I have taken one image, I placed the code as well as the image in the same folder. So this particular folder, you can get it by giving your email ID at the bottom of this particular video. So now we'll go to execute this particular program. So now I am already in this folder, that is load, display and save. So to execute this program, I need to initially give Python. So I'll type Python, and after I have typed Python, I need to give the file name, which is load display save.py. So I can just give L and I can give tab. So I will get the entire file name, and then I need to give the name of the argument, which is -- image. Image is the name of the argument, so I give it as image. And after I have given image, I need to give which image I need to read. So I can give it as text, so I can just give T and I can give tab. So there are 4 parts. One thing is Python, then the file name, then the name of the argument, and then the image that I want to read. So when I press enter, you can see on the screen that this particular image has been read, and the name of this title of this image is image with I capital. So now this image will be displayed on the screen until I press any key in the keyboard. So as soon as I press any key in the keyboard, this particular image will be closed. And now if I open the folder, you can see that initially there were only 2 files, that was load display save.py and text. Now there is a new file, that is new image.jpg. So this way, this was the initial file that was there, and this is the new image which I have saved in the same location. So this way you can load the image, you can display the image, and you can save the image.